I'm so excited to get into this. I've been wanting to try this for a really long time, and this is actually the first box I have ever purchased. My face is completely blank, that way we can try on all the wonderful goodies in this box. Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. I've been tempted to purchase this for a really long time, but I own so many highlighters I couldn't bring myself to do it. And I really like the case on this. It's just a little cardboard box, and then when you open it up, there is another box, and that is the actual highlighter. And this is so cute. It looks like it has a button on the end, but you can't actually push the button, so I mean that's a little weird. And I'm really glad they gave us the lightest color because my skin tone is really light, and I have a huge problem when people give me dark colors. It just never looks good on me. Tréstique. I don't know how to say that. This just looks like mascara. And then on the end there is like a little eyelash curler, and I've never used an eyelash curler before. I probably won't use this one. I will probably save this to gift someone. Because yeah, I just can't imagine putting my eyelashes into a little contraption like that. Alright, next up we have the Wander Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. So that's cute. Once again, I think the colors are going to be really nice on my skin tone. It's not too dark. And there is no smell. 0% smell. The next thing in the box is this little Avant cream. It's like a night cream that you put on your face. I'm not super into creams, but I might give this one a try. It smells very nice. Very, very sweet smelling, and I love sweet smelling things, so I will probably end up trying this. The Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn. Ooh, okay, so we got lucky. We got extraordinarily lucky. I actually really like all of the colors in this. This is not the one that most people got. Most people got this one that was pretty much like all red and pink, and I might use a red around Christmas time, but the likelihood of me using a red color any other time of the year is very low. Let's go ahead and swatch some of these on my arm, just curiosity, and then we'll do our makeup look. So the first one I want to try is this bottom one, that really light blue color. I'm just gonna... Ooh. This feels really nice and buttery. I like it, it's very light. The next one I think we should try is the dark blue. We'll just go down this whole bottom row. Okay, I didn't like this dark blue as much. It went on a little bit more patchy. All right, I'm feeling that green color. Last but not least, we'll go in with this shiny little yellow on the end. Ooh, that one's the best. I really favor shiny metallic colors to other colors, but that gold is just beautiful. Now that we've made a complete mess out of my arm, let's go over the cost of everything in this box. So the box itself only costs $25. The Too Faced Diamond Highlighter was original retail value of $36. The Ace Beauty Eyeshadow Palette sells for $35. The Blush and Bronzer Duo retails for $36. I feel like that's kind of high for blush, but we'll see. We'll see how well this works. The Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask retails for $107. $107 for this teeny tiny bottle. I'm definitely going to try this out and see how it works, because for $107 it needs to do something. And finally on our list we have the Tréstique Good Vibes Mascara, and this has a retail value of $25. So the total value of everything in our box comes out to $239, which is a very, very good deal for only a $25 subscription box. All right. I'm gonna scoot closer, we're gonna try some of this on. So the first thing I'm curious to try on is this Blush Bronzer Duo. And I think I'm gonna go in with the bronzer first and just do a little divot on my cheeks. This is a very good color for me, and it's going on really nicely. I don't know if you guys can see a difference. You know, I complained about this being so expensive, but I'm actually really liking the product. Maybe it is worth the $36. All right, and now for some blush. And I'm not usually a blush person, but hopefully this works. Ooh, that's pink. And the other side. Yeah, I'm really feeling this little palette. And it is by Wander Beauty. Never heard of them. Now we're gonna go in with our highlight. Okay, this is so crazy. I've been wanting this forever to add to my collection, and I am so freaking grateful that I got this and the exact one that I want, because it's gonna look beautiful on my beauty stand. But honestly, this little guy blew the water out of this little guy. All right, next we get to get creative. We have this amazing eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited to get to try out some fun colors, and I'm so freaking glad that we did not get the all red palette, because that would really suck. So I really would love to do the blues, because I don't normally do blues, but we just tested those on my arm, and I want to be a little bit more inspired with this look. All right, I think I'm gonna go with these three colors. I really liked this one, the shiny yellow at the bottom. So we're gonna start off in the corner of our eye with this little guy, and then we're probably gonna move on to orange and then back over to red. And the color of this little yellow one we're going into the corner with is Serengeti. Now I'm gonna do the middle of my eyeball with this Golden Hours. Just that one right there. Wow, okay, the color in this is amazing. I'm definitely a fan of these metallics. And I'm not seeing too much fallout. I'm getting a little, but you get a little with anything. And lastly, I'm going to go in with Gleam, and that is our red one. So I'm not in love with Gleam like I was in love with the last two colors. It's just not quite as deep of a red as I would like. Yeah, so Gleam is like an orangey red. I don't know, it just, in the pan it looks a lot more red to me than this orange, and in real life it's like not at all. To blend all the colors, I'm just going back in with a little bit of our Serengeti, which is the yellow, and just really lightly going over that top line. I think to finish this look off, I'm going to take our Golden Hour again and just go a little bit underneath the lash line. I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner and mascara, and then I will meet you guys back here. I'm tempted to test this out on camera for you guys, but I honestly don't think I would get good use out of it. I have a bunch of mascara already, and just with this little contraption on the top that I'm terrified to try, I think this would be better held for either a giveaway or a gift for a friend, so I will put it in a separate bucket for later use. All right, I'm back. We have our full completed look. I just added some eyeliner, some mascara, and then a little bit of lip gloss, and I am super satisfied with this look. I am extremely satisfied with everything inside of our box. The only thing that I'm a little disappointed with is the diamond highlight. It's beautiful, but it's just not quite what I was expecting, and that sucks a little bit, but everything else was amazing. Well, thank you guys so much for joining. If you enjoyed this, please hit like and subscribe. I will see you next time.